Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Kia K4 and we're going to do the Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight lens. So we're going to need two solutions in order to do the prep and the installation. For the first solution, it is our Slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. And our second solution is our Tack solution, which contains isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. So for the first solution, our Slip solution, spray it onto the lens. Grab a clean microfiber towel and start removing any contaminants that the taillight may have. And also, while you're cleaning the lens, clean the surrounding area just in case if the film does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants on the adhesive side of the film. So now flip your microfiber towel around to a clean side, grab your Tack solution and spray your Tack solution onto the microfiber towel and start removing any contaminants that the lens may have. What this does, it just helps remove any of those hard contaminants like any wax, oils, grease, or any coating that the lens may have. And then once we're done with the second cleaning, we can start with the installation. Okay, so we're going to start with the piece that covers this front section here first. So that would be piece number 1. So for piece number 1, just apply Slip solution to the lens and Slip solution to the adhesive side of the film, and just make sure to start placing the film and align it to the design of the taillight. So with this one, just align it on the edge right here. Right there should be good, right on the edge, and everything else falls into place. It's just more about just making sure we adjust it as we go. So let's secure this section here first. Grab your Tack solution, lift the film carefully, and apply it underneath and on top of the film. Grab your squeegee, make sure you're holding the film, and just start tagging down as you go. Make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film. Double check and see if it's secured. It shouldn't be moving. And now you would just come to this section here, work the entire lens until you reach to the bottom half here. So just lift the film carefully, apply Tack solution, and then just align it, adjust it as you go. So right here in this curve, just help it tack down with your finger like this, and then squeegee it down. The film may want to lift right here in this area here, but for right now we'll focus on just helping it tack down, and then with a little bit of heat we'll be able to help the film tack down here. Right now it's just more about making sure everything stays aligned. So make sure everything's being covered, and then tack it down. Be careful with the fingers. Let's just double check, making sure everything is good. Everything is completely covered. And now just remove all the solution underneath the film. So for this section here, like I mentioned, the film is going to lift over time if we don't help it tack down. So to help it tack down, just apply Tack solution, grab your heat gun. You can also use a hair dryer to apply heat to help it tack down. On your device, use the lowest setting, let it warm up just a little bit, and then apply heat. Just focus on this area for maybe about 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. You don't have to apply too much heat because we don't want to accidentally burn the film. Once you finish applying heat, you're going to grab your microfiber towel and just help it tack down by applying a little bit of pressure with your finger. And that's pretty much it. You just repeat this process until everything's tacked down. Just make sure to help it tack down, and that's pretty much it. Let it rest. If you do see the film lifting as you're doing the install, you would just come back afterwards and just help it tack down. But for right now, everything looks to be good. Once this is tacked down, you would go ahead and apply heat throughout the entire edge here. That way the film is not lifting over time. So we don't want it to lift like this. We want it to be tacked down and sealed. So to seal it, just apply tack solution, grab your heat gun and do the same steps as how we did it here. Apply heat all over the edges and then just seal it with their microfiber towel. Okay, so for piece number 2, it covers this top and side section of the tail light. So just grab your slip solution and apply it onto the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. If the film is touching, that's perfectly fine. You could just separate it, but just be gentle when separating the film and just align it to the edge here. So you could use this edge here as a guide to align the rest of the film. So just lift it and adjust it as needed. So once you have it on the edge and lined up with this film here, apply tack solution, grab your squeegee and start tacking it down to secure this curves area here. Make sure it's not moving. And then you could work either that side or this side. Just make sure to keep everything aligned. That way it has full coverage until you reach to the bottom. For this section here, just stretch the film going down. That way it covers up to the tip of the edge on the bottom section here. Just a small stretch. And then tack it down. And for the top section, you will need to stretch the film just a little bit. Just make sure everything stays aligned. Stretch it until you reach to the edge. Should be up to the edge right here. And then grab your squeegee and tack it down. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now all we have to do is the same thing as how we did it here. Seal all of the edges here, that way the film doesn't lift over time. So tack solution all over the edge, heat gun and microfiber towel to seal. Okay, so for the last piece, which is piece number 3, apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we have to do is just align it and tack it down. So align it right on the edge. With this one, keep in mind it doesn't wrap inside, so the lens, as you can see, goes curved inside. The film is only going to cover the face, basically what you see in the front here. Same with this one, only the face, it doesn't cover the inside. So with this one, just align it on this section here first, right on the edge. Lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film and then on top. Grab your squeegee and start tacking down the top and work your way down. Once this is secured, we're just going to lift the film, do a small stretch to reach this and this to the edge right here. And that way everything stays aligned here as well. So it's just a light stretch. Stretch it and hold it. That way you're able to tack down the rest of the film. Be careful around the fingers here. And if you're having a little bit of trouble tacking down these fingers here, with a little heat and tack solution will do the trick to help tack down the fingers. So you can always lift the film and adjust it as needed. So lift, stretch to help remove the fingers. Everything should be flat. Bring all the solution down. To remove the fingers, tack solution, grab your heat device, apply heat, shrink the fingers, and then with your squeegee, tack it down. That's pretty much it. And then you would do the same for the entire panel here. Stretch and tack down. Okay, and that's pretty much it for the installation for the tail light here. Once we're done with the install, the last thing to do is to post heat everything. That way we help remove any lingering fingers, or if the film is lifting, we help it tack down with heat. So once we finish with the entire installation for the tail light tints, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire film. So to post heat, just apply tack solution throughout the entire lens. Grab your heat gun or hair dryer Use the lowest setting and apply heat evenly throughout the entire film. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and helping remove any fingers that are still popping up, or just helping tack down the film around the edges. So apply heat, use your microfiber towel just to help it tack down. And then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the Kia K4. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you're missing the upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.